Hey, you looking for an oddball cobalt chrome socket or an impact socket or even a wrench? They got a clearance on them right now in Lowe's. And they've got the regular wrenches and the ratcheting wrenches. Many different sizes. In the sockets, there's their chrome sockets. And they've got the impact sockets too. The prices are good. 99 cents for the chrome sockets, $2.99 for the cobalt impact sockets, and then $4.99 for the wrenches, whether they're the combination wrench or the ratcheting combination wrench. Check it out at Lowe's. They've also got 3-piece socket holders. $14.37 down from $23.98. And the magnetic socket holders for small stuff, $6.57 down from $10.98. And there's a 119-piece kit, 101 down from 119. Nah, that's not a markdown. $12.67 from $14.98. These cobalt adapters. What else have we got? 20-piece set, $21.37 down from $32.98. And 73-piece tool set, $47.97 down from $79.98. Lots of little goodies they got on these tables in the front of my store.